grandmother's house was burned down to ashes by someone during the political era in Indonesia. And then a few years later, I was home alone. Suddenly, my roof was started to burning down. I got really freaked out. And then I got help from my neighbors. After the incidents, I was just scared to fire. I avoided everything that had to do with fire. There is no way that I can be scared of fire. So I decided to save up my money and I went to see this therapist. The therapist helped me to reprocess all of my memories from that trauma. It can be reprocessed into a healthy memory to get rid of all this phobia. In my last session, I asked my therapist, "Thank you so much for helping me. How can I ever repay your kindness? Because this is life-changing." And he said, the only way to repay my kindness is by being kind to yourself. And I think that it's fire. The easiest way to do it is through cooking. Every time I visit my therapist, I will bring the cake that I bake or the food that I cook to him. It's a way for me to thank my therapist and to thank myself for being able to overcome the phobia.